Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to the Adventure Room. And today, I have a very special surprise. I thought we'd go on an adventure together and see some puppies. That's right, a litter of puppies. So, let's go through the magic door and I can introduce you to them. But first, we have to put on my magic laces. 1, 2. Okay, let's see those puppies. Let's go. Perfect. Now we have to find the puppies. Hey, do you hear that? I think I hear them. They must be behind that garden gate. Come on. They're close. Let's go see the puppies. Look at that. Look. Hi. It's a mama dog and her puppies. Come see. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's 7 puppies. How cool is that? They have 1, 2, 3, and 4 paws, and 2 eyes, and 2 ears, and they have a little nose. See that? Say hi to my friends. Just like Mama Dog, the little dogs need love and care too. And there's some things you always have to do to take care of the puppies, like feeding. Just like us, the puppies need nutrients too, and that comes in food. They need the food to grow up big and strong. Does that taste good? And some for you too. Hi, do you want some too? Here you go. I could hang out with these puppies all day. Puppies need special puppy food because it's full of nutrients they need to grow big and strong, just like you. Make sure to follow the instructions on the food bag and feed them at the right time. Water. Water's super important for puppies too. They get thirsty, just like us. And they have a very special puppy bowl full of water. Okay, are you thirsty? Yeah, there you go. Drink up. See, they're thirsty. This is making me thirsty too. Exercise. Like you, puppies need exercise. They have to keep healthy and active so they can play games with toys or just run around. Hi. Training. Training is important too. Teach them basic commands like sit, stay, and paw. It's like they're giving you a handshake. It's a great way to bond with your puppy and keep them well behaved. And these ones are well behaved. Grooming. Some puppies have long hair and some puppies have short hair. So we need to brush them to make sure their coat doesn't get tangled. And for them, it feels good. But we have to make sure we're gentle, right? And the most important, lots of love. They need love and attention. Puppies need love. They love to cuddle, play, and you can give them a hug. But make sure you're gentle. Oh, they're giving me little kisses. They're so cute. There's lots for everyone. Hi. Here. And we'll use some bubbles. Whoa. Look at all the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. Just like the number of puppies we have. Here. They're lasting so good. I could hang out with the puppies all day, but I'm sorry, friends. We have to go back to the adventure room. That was so much fun. We learned all about puppies. Okay, let's go back to the adventure room and go over what we found. Are you ready? We'll see you later. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Bye. Bye, puppies. They were so cute. Thank you so much for going on this adventure with me. We saw all the puppies, got to play, and see how adorable they are. Well, we'll see you soon. And remember, you can do it. Bye.
Jimmy, dime time. Next show!